Hi guys, welcome back to High Ride Garage. Paolo here, and today we are going to discover a fantastic new helmet. So this is just a mask cover, it's not a Valentino Rossi helmet, but please stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe and share. And let's now take a sneak peek at this helmet. We are going to talk through the story behind the rider, and we are going to talk through the design and of course the features of the helmet. And while I do think that most of you already recognize the helmet, this is from the famous 58, which in modern MotoGP history this means unfortunately Marco Simoncelli. Why do I say unfortunately? It's because I'm sure most of you already know he lost his life during the Sepang international MotoGP race a few years back, and so this is now becoming, well, it has already become a big cult. Marco Simoncelli was rider, was very successful, was 250cc on a Prix machine winner. Well, it was actually a Gilera machine, and he then went on to become extremely successful in MotoGP with pole positions under his belt and podiums, and surely he would have become a great rider and potentially a MotoGP world title winner, which we will never find out, but certainly his legacy is living beyond his life on earth. And as you can see on all the social media, he has plenty of following even today, perhaps even more so today, and we are going to pay a tribute to him and his story. Gonna go through some images of his career, and we're gonna go through, of course, the styling of the helmet. As we can see, the styling, well, this is an AGV model, so this is from the top-notch version for MotoGP racers. You can see the shape. You can see that back in these days they were already starting having some sort of wings. In this particular model, the wing is not so accentuated as new ones, but nevertheless from the side you can see that there is already this sort of stabilizer, and indeed the shape is no longer like an oval or a very spherical shape. It's more becoming with like a straight line, sort of a wing that you see on sports cars. And then basically the rest of the helmet has got some very thin angulations that are made again for aerodynamics, so to let the air flow and to get more stability on the helmet. And then here we can see, of course, the popular Monster Energy sponsor of Simoncelli and the 58 number. Back here we're gonna see some close-up. We have a lovely sun and a few hearts. This was from Martina. Martina is the little sister of Marco, and she actually made this beautiful drawing that he decided to put on the helmet. And here on the back we really see the tiger, so that's again one of his trademark, and we can see some more tiger type of graphics. So it's fairly simple graphic with two red stripes, sort of Dodge Viper type, and I really like the minimalistic approach that he has kept into it. And of course the San Carlo, which was his main sponsor at the time, or one of his main sponsors at the time. And here we can see the well, the heart, and I think this is reminiscence of the Vodafone that was also sponsored at some point. Of course it was designed by Rudy Performance, which is one of the most popular, if not the most popular designer for helmets these days. And here we can see, okay, British sport. So with the homologation, and the weight is 1500 plus minus 50 grams, so 1.5 kilos, and this is an XL size, and so which is 61 to 62 centimeters, which you need to measure around the forehead. So this is still in pretty good shape. This is a replica helmet. Of the fittings and the puttings inside are still in very nice condition. Here you have the wind, against the wind, for the wind protection coming from the chin, and as you can see, the shape is this of the very shape that AGV has produced in the last few years. So guys, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video, and as usual, please give it a thumb up, subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.